Dear students, now I am going to discuss social study of standard 4 social study SST. First topic, what is history? Why do we study history? Dividing history into 3 periods. These are the points in this chapter given. What is history? Why do we study history? Dividing history into 3 periods. At first, we discuss about what is history. History is past story. You have seen your grandfather, grandmother, their dress, how they were living. You have a number of photos at your home, coin, those things, monument, where you are living. That house is made by your grandfather or built by your father, like that. Many things create curiosity to know about the past. When people left nomadic life, people settled in a place and lived together for enjoyment. At that time, he started writing, and all the past event is known as history. Clear about it? Then next, why do we study history? History to know about the past. To know about the past, old buildings, and through observation old temples, we know about past. How people were living, what were their dress, like that. And it links present to past. And we know many mistakes happened in the past, and we get idea about not do mistakes. तुम एक बार गलत करते हो, मतलब वहां पर कुछ सुधर जाते हो. गलत करने से क्या होता है, उसका एक्सपीरियंस हो जाता है. उस एक्सपीरियंस को तुम काम में लगा सकते हो. इसीलिए हिस्ट्री पढ़ना जरूरी है. और हिस्ट्री तुमको क्रिएटिविटी माइंड में लाता है, और क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग. जो हिस्ट्री पढ़ता है उसको क्या बोला जाता है? हिस्टोरियन. एंड हु नो अबाउट हिस्ट्री इज नोन एज हिस्टोरियंस. देन डिवाइडिंग हिस्ट्री इनटू 3 periods: ancient, medieval and modern. Ancient मतलब old, medieval मतलब middle, modern अभी जो चल रहा है. At that time, stone age, people use stone. At that time, not facility like now. Now you are living at home and studying. At that time, बच्चे को कहाँ पर जाना पड़ता था? गुरु का पास जाना पड़ता था, गुरुकुल था. अभी घर में बैठकर भी आराम से पढ़ाई कर सकते हो. अभी दुनिया चेंज हो गया है, धीरे धीरे डेवलप हो गया है. आदमी जब उसको खाना मिला, एक जगह रहने के लिए मिला, तो वो सोचा, और सोचने का बाद उस आइडिया को इम्प्लीमेंट किया. Then ancient, medieval and modern, this. And who is the father of history? Father of history, Herodotus. He was Greek and he is known as father of history. So from this chapter you have clear idea about what is history. History is the story of past or past story. What happened in the past, that event recorded in the history. Then why do we study history? To know about past, and it links present to past, and we rectify our mistakes. And what are the three periods of history? Ancient, medieval, modern. Ancient means old, medieval middle, and modern. Who is known as father of history? Herodotus. Then you go through the books. Next, I discuss question answer. Like, share and comment this video. Don't forget to subscribe it to get earlier information. Thank you.